In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Facebook's annoying scroll sound so you can browse your feed quietly. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap the menu icon in the bottom corner of the screen. This will open the main menu where you can access different settings and options. Now scroll down through the menu and tap on Settings and Privacy to expand more options. After that, tap on Settings to open your account settings page. On this page, scroll down until you find the Preferences section. Here, look for the option called Media and tap on it. Once the media settings open, you will see several controls related to sounds and video playback. Find the option labeled Sounds in the app. If this option is turned on, the app will play small sound effects while you scroll through posts and interact with content. Simply tap the toggle next to Sounds in the app to turn it off. Once you disable it, the scrolling and interaction sounds will stop immediately. Now you can browse Facebook quietly without those extra sound effects. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.